Hello everyone. Welcome to Desi Hub Spotlight. Today we have Sandeep Jagtap from FinSource. Hi Sandeep, welcome.
Hi Kunal, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Sandeep, if you can start by sharing what are the services that you offer?
So look, Kunal, we at FinSource, we are mortgage and finance brokers. So we provide home finance, vehicle finance, even business finance. Anything finance, you can come to us.
Nice. And who is your ideal client? Who should reach out to you from our platform?
Look, there is a multiple types of clients who can reach out to us. So honestly, I've been a migrant myself, have committed my own mistakes. So a typical migrant joined, uh, uh, who has moved to Australia, has got his permanent residency, and wants to stop paying rent is something who is our ideal client as a first home buyer. However, we do not look at our clients as a transaction. What is an ideal client is a client who wants to buy a house and get rid of his debt in 10 to 15 years, maybe 20 years, not 30 years. So somebody who has got a growth plan, growth strategy is our ideal clients. I'm an investor myself, and I am a broker for investors.
Great. What is the process that you follow to help your clients achieve their goals?
So look, initially we just have a general discussion, understanding what the current situation is, what their goals are, whether they are ready to achieve their goals today. If we can help them straight away, great, we help them out. If they can't help them today because a lot of them do not have deposits and all, so we work with them over time to make them ready for the purchase. So we are not a broker who will say, look, you're not ready, come to us in 6 months. No, we'll work with you for 6 months, 12 months to get yourself ready to buy the first home. We'll understand your goals and we'll brainstorm with you and give you a couple of options. And based on that, we can start our journey. And we don't look at our clients as a transaction. So we will handhold them through the process, one property, two property, three properties, and how to get rid of the debt. So it is understanding the client requirements first, getting the documentation, having a strategy in place, and then starting the application process.
Nice. And tell us a bit about yourself, your journey. How did you start this business?
Look, it was an interesting story. I'm an engineer myself, engineer and a supply chain professional, worked for 20 odd years, always has been an investor in real estate in India and Australia, committed a few mistakes of mine and saw a few of my friends committing mistakes around me. And that is when that idea hit my mind thinking, hang on, if I can help people avoid these mistakes and help them get ahead, a good name can be made, a good business can be achieved. And getting paid in a profession that you love, nothing like it. So it's been 7 years and about 600 clients later, we look back and we are proud of ourselves.
Nice. And share us some highlights about your journey, any milestones that you have achieved during this period.
Yeah, look, as I said, over 500 customers, 5 to 600 customers so far. A lot of them are happy. We met at some casual event, social event, somewhere referred to us, and we have been a part of so many Indian families getting into their own home. That is the biggest feeling and biggest award than anything else. You can see a few awards behind us. We have been nominated for a fair few industry awards, and we probably 17, 18 awards nomination so far. However, we have won customer service award back to back 2 years in a row.
Great.
Those are some sorts of awards. We are one of the leading brokers in the industry where, being an engineer, I believe in process. Having a good process for our customers is something that helps us help them better. So that is what we do, me and my team. Not only when the customer comes on board, the journey doesn't finish for us. So what we do is we work continuously on the client retention. So those are the small things which go a long way. These are the awards for us. If someone wants to see what our clients say about us, they can look at the Google reviews for FinSource and they can see what clients say for us.
Excellent. Sandeep, it was great knowing and speaking to you today. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks, Kunal, for having me. Thank you.